What's up, Domies? I'm going to be making a garlic bread. The pub has kindly made us some fresh caramelised onion. Smells absolutely amazing. I'll turn this oven up now. It's running a bit too hot earlier, so I've just turned the oven back up. Stone's going to be nice and hot. I'm going to stretch this out now. Just going to get some cheese on there. Just got some mozzarella on there. Lovely. Spread that out. Then we've got the caramelised onion. Oh, almost spilt that one. Smells so good. I'm going to chop it anyway, Mum. So you're going to lightly dust my peel. Going to stretch that out. It's about 12 inches. There we go. Before 3, 2, 1. Right, let's cook to one side. We're going to give it a cheeky 180. Got our turning peel. Better heat that up. Other side's looking nice. That looks fantastic. Last turn in that corner there. It's coming out any second. 3, 2, 1. Done. There we go. Right, we're going to drizzle that with a bit of garlic oil. Lovely. Fantastic.